Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to DIY body butter, which is very effective for stretch marks. So if you're interested to know how to make it, please keep on watching. And if you're someone new and looking at this face for the first time, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and also do not forget to hit that bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And if you want to connect with me, you can connect with me on my social media platforms. It will be listed down below in the description box as well for you guys to follow. So without any further delay, let's straight away get into the video. So today's video I'm going to keep it to the point and make it a shorter video for you guys.
Oh no!
Initially I used to buy a lot of lotions and stuff for my body, and to be frank, all these lotions will give that hydration and moisturization maybe for 4 to 5 hours, and after that my skin is back to the dry form. Generally the skin on my body is a little bit on the drier side, and mostly on my legs I will have the scaly kind of thing due to the dry skin if I don't moisturize after bath. So I make sure that my legs look a little more smoother and softer. That is why I came up with this DIY. This particular body butter will give that deep moisturization, and it is helpful in combating lot of skin issues and a lot of your problem areas. So let's straight away get into the DIY first. So for this DIY, the main ingredient you need is shea butter. So I have bought African shea butter over here. This is from the brand called XOXO Sciences, and this is raw unrefined shea butter, African shea butter. So make sure that whenever you're buying shea butter online or from somewhere, make sure you read the ingredient. For this particular brand, the ingredient is only raw shea butter, 100% organic. So this is around 200 grams, and whenever you want to make this body butter, you can scrape out a little bit and make it. So the first step what we are going to do is you need some raw shea butter. You're going to melt it using double boiler method. Make sure you're not directly keeping this on flame, it will destroy its properties. So once the shea butter is melted, take it off from the heat and so let it cool for 30 seconds or something, and then I'm going to add my essential oils and stuff. So the first oil I'm adding here is the coconut oil. So again, make sure the coconut oil you're using is 100% organic, or it is virgin cold pressed coconut oil. First, at the end of the day, you're going to use this on your skin, and you have to make sure that whatever things you're putting into your body butter is really beneficial for your skin and not cause any harm. So here I'm using this particular coconut oil. As you can see, I'm eyeballing the measurements. I do not have any specific measurements here. So according to your need, you can add more or less of the oil so that you will get that glistening effect. So the third ingredient I'm adding is the almond oil, sweet almond oil. Again, make sure it's in the purest form. So this is 100% sweet almond oil which I'm using. I'm just taking half the amount of coconut oil I have poured. I'm going to add essential oils. Essential oils are purely depending upon your wish. So for me, I prefer essential oil like tea tree oil and peppermint oil. Peppermint oil will give me that fresh feeling, and the tea tree oil will help me combat any kind of skin irritations or skin issues. So these are the two oils I'm going to use, and on top of this, if you like any kind of smell or fragrance, if you want that, you can add those oils as well. Personally for me, I do not prefer fragrance, especially when it comes to body butter, because these particular body butter I am using it in sensitive areas. So I make sure that that particular product is fragrance free. Whenever you're adding, if you're adding peppermint oil, make sure that you're adding little bit. If you add more peppermint oil, it will create a burning sensation when you apply onto your skin, because it's very concentrated, and you do not want to burn it, especially when you're applying it to the sensitive areas. So make sure you're adding a little bit of peppermint oil and not going overboard with it. So once all that is mixed, I'm going to pour it into a container. So here I have poured it into the Dove body butter container. I really like this body butter, but again the problem is it did not give me in-depth or deep moisturization as it says. So once you pour it, make sure you're refrigerating it for an hour and a half, and then you can keep it out. It will not it will retain its shape. So this is how the body butter looks like. It's again the thick kind of body butter, as you can see. This is how it looks like. So this is my skin. As you can clearly see, you have some hair over here. So I'm just gonna apply this on my skin. As you can see, it gives that shine, and it has some good film on top. This is how the difference it is. It gives it shine and suppleness to your arms. So as you can see, look at my arms, both the arms, the difference. This is without any body butter, and this is with body butter. It glistens, and it's really moisturizing, deeply moisturizing. As you can see, it is really good for stretch marks, to prevent stretch marks. If you're someone like me on a little bit heavier side of the body, and whenever you're losing weight or whenever you're trying to lose weight, in certain parts you will get stretch marks. So to prevent that, the main ingredient you need for stretch mark is moisturization, deep moisturization. So stretch marks are really deep. So for that marks to fade, to treat those marks, you need something that penetrates deep into your skin and moisturize it. So that is why I decided to DIY my body butter, especially wherever I have stretch marks. This is what I use. Advantage, it will eventually try to reduce the stretch marks, and if you're using it regularly, it will not allow your skin to have stretch marks. So the second point is, especially for sensitive areas, you are not supposed to use perfumated lotions on those sensitive areas. So if you want to moisturize it, you have to make something like this, so that you know what is inside that body butter, and it will not irritate your skin wherever it is sensitive. So that is that. Third is, if you have very dry skin, or if you have a dry skin, you can make body butter that suit your skin and your skin type. So this particular thing, I use it for my body skin because I have dry skin, as I already told you. The fourth advantage is, especially if you're someone like me who doesn't like to wax your legs or arms, and you tend to shave it, you might have strawberry legs, you might have ingrown hair issues, and again, mostly due to the dead skin, you need to exfoliate more and also moisturize your legs better. So for that, I am using this particular thing, because as I already told you, my legs are towards more drier side. I tend to get a lot dry on my legs, on the sides of the legs. So this particular cream will help me to combat that issue as well. And also on my elbows and my knees, I tend to get dark patches or dark marks. So to combat that, we can again customize your body butter for that. This particular thing, the sweet almond oil, will help in minimizing that darkness over there and also moisturize that part very well. Whatever I added has a lot of other advantages. I would like to put light on these specific points, because these are the problems commonly faced by women or men. This particular DIY is not only for women, men can also use it. So if you have enjoyed this video and if you find it useful, make sure you hit that like button, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed till now. Video request, make sure you comment below in the comment section. I will make it for you guys. So see you on my next video, guys. Until then, take care. Bye.